Dear Rebecca, this is a day to say goodbye to the students and the teachers. But we don't forget you because we spent a lot of time with you this year and you helped us to learn English. Usually, when a person learns English, they say it's difficult, it's boring, or something like this. But you did that English seems funny, easy, and interesting. You helped we with the speaking and taught us new words and expressions.
All these things are great like you, and we don't want to lose you forever. But you have to leave this high school, and we want to give you the present of our friendship. We want that you know that this high school will be open to you forever. We wish that your future will be prosperous and that you will spend a great time in the other place where you will go. Summing up, we wish you a great future and we want to see you soon.
Thank you, Rebecca.